Assalamualaikum. Welcome back po sa ating channel. Ang problem natin for today ay mula sa PSAT problem, and itong problem na ito ay isang passport problem na lumabas noong April 2023. The hook is subjected to three forces: force A, force B, and force C as shown. For the forces A and B and C to be in equilibrium, what is the magnitude of the resultant force C? Okay, ang pinapahanap sa atin ay yung force C. So, ano raw yung force C para itong tatlong forces na ito ay maging equilibrium? So, equilibrium means ang resultant nila is equal to 0. Okay, draw muna natin ang free body diagram. And kunin natin yung component nitong force P using like function. Okay, 22.5 kilonewton and 33.97 kilonewton. Okay, ang gagamitin natin is yung component ng force B. So, kapag ginamit natin ang component, wala na yung resultant. Proceed naman tayo sa force C. Gamitin natin ang kanyang component. And kapag ginamit natin ang component, wala na yung resultant. Okay. Summation of forces naman tayo. Summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. Upward is positive. Unahin natin dito sa CY. CY is pataas, so positive. And then BY naman is pababa, so negative. And this is equal to 0. Ilipat natin sa kabila itong 38.97 para makuha na natin ang vertical component ng force C. Okay, next naman is summation of forces horizontal naman tayo. And this is equal to 0. To the right is positive. Unahin natin ng CX. CX is to the right, so positive. And BX naman is to the right, so positive. And yung force A naman is to the left. That means negative. And this is equal to 0. Lipat natin itong 22.5 at saka negative 35 dito sa kabila. And makukuha na natin yung horizontal force ng ating force C. Ayan. Meron na tayong component ng force C. So that means makukuha na natin yung kanyang magnitude and direction using the fold function. Okay, gamitin natin dito ang ating Canon calculator. Una dito is shift and then plus and 12.5 then comma and 38.97 equal. So ang magnitude ng ating force C is 40.93 and then yung angle naman niya is 72.2 degrees. Okay, so ang pinapahanap sa atin is itong force C. And kung sakali man na itatanong yung kanyang direction or angle, ang kanyang angle is 72.2 degrees. So ito ang ating final answer. Okay, problem solved mga tol, and see you again sa ating next problem, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.